Hey guys, don't forget to hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can be notified every time I come up with a new video. Hi guys, what's up? Thank you so much for coming back. I'm Arpita, this is the Crazy Wisdom and welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today we'll be discussing about the second segment of our luck videos. Now last week as we talked about how lucky we are as per astrology, today we'll be discussing about the various tips and tricks that we can bring into use in our day-to-day lives which will, help us in improving our luck factors. And this will not only be on the basis of zodiac signs, it is also analyzed at the horoscopic level. So without wasting any further time, let's get down straight to the video, how to improve your luck factor for all zodiacs and zodiac ascendants. Put on your thinking caps and your wisdom boots. Let's get on and shoot. Alright, so for Aries and Aries ascendant people, the key to your luck lies in knowledge. Learn more, be more academically inclined, and focus on expanding your intellectual horizons, be it through a degree or non-degree. In addition to this, you also need to include an aspect of religion and spirituality in your life. For Taurus and Taurus ascendant people, you would improve your luck by being more resilient and more competitive. Do not laze around and do not procrastinate at all. Make each day of yours goals and targets driven. For Gemini and Gemini ascendant people, rise up that luck ladder by being more inventive and out of the box. You have a lot of energy, but that often gets dissipated in that day-to-day cycle of thoughts and actions. So, on a day-to-day basis, you need to focus on creating and inventing and coming up with something new and completely different. For Cancer zodiac and Cancer rising people, you can improve that luck factor by taking some time out for meditation and taking some time out for spiritual and esoteric things and aspects in your life. Another trick for you would be to let go of things that you cannot control in your life and to stop taking those heavy feelings and things to your heart. For Leo zodiacs and Leo zodiac ascendants, being more active. Now I know that as a Leo, you are prone to laziness and delegating tasks and duties here and there. But be more, I'll be there, I'll handle it, I'll do it, especially in things that need to be handled by you. For Virgo zodiacs and Virgo ascendants, your luck factor will go up when you'll be more culturally open. So that you get a chance to interact with people of different backgrounds and so that you can learn from them and their knowledge. In addition to this, bring in some creativity in your work on a day-to-day basis. Do not be streamlined and always focus on bringing something new and something different in your work, something that breaks the monotony. Alright, moving on. For Libra zodiac and Libra ascendants, you need to up your luck factor by bringing in more speed and quickness in your life. If you want to get something, just go out and get it. If you want to learn something, just go out and learn it. If you want to gain some experience, just go out and gain it. Be analytical and be thoughtful, but bring in that speed in your life. Alright, for Scorpios and Scorpio ascendants, you would improve that luck factor in your life when you would get closer to your family and loved ones. Spend more time with them, especially with your mother and mother-like figures. This will stabilize your mind and give you a lot of emotional strength. So, get closer to your roots and learn to strike a balance between family and work. Moving on, for Sagittarius and Sagittarius ascendant people, form a strong and respectful bond with your father. Learn to listen to him and learn to respect him. Now, this is beneficial for each and everyone as a matter of fact, but this is especially required for Sagittarius and Sagittarius rising people. The more acknowledgement you would give him in your life, the more of that luck factor you would attract. Moving over to Capricorns and Capricorn rising people, improve your social awareness. Be more humble and kind and polite to the needier section of the society. Do not be rude or blunt and arrogant with them. Implement and bring in more humanitarian goals and targets in your day-to-day life. Talking about Aquarius zodiac and Aquarius rising people, now your life lacks balance and therefore try to bring in that balance in each and every aspect of your life. Be it people, scenarios, situations, anything and everything. Try to achieve that equilibrium and do not run in any one extreme and you would attract that luck factor. Moving on finally to Pisces zodiac and Pisces rising people. Well, the key to your luck lies in bringing more and more depth in your work. Whatever you do or whatever you get into, do not learn about it or do not leave it undone and superficially. Do not get demotivated and distracted midway. Whatever you think of interest is, just get into as much practical depth of the same as possible. The more you would implement this in your day-to-day life, the more luck factor you would attract. Alright guys, so with this I put a wrap in today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to leave a cute thumbs up right underneath it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel in order to remain updated with all the latest news on zodiac, astrology and motivation. You can also contact me for your queries and consultations. You can either mail me directly or you can connect with me on my Instagram handle. The details of both I'll be attaching in the description below. With this, I'll be meeting you again too soon, but don't forget to be crazy and wise until we meet for the next time. I'll see you guys soon now. Bye bye.